Hi, I am Shivani Agarwal, and here in this video, in the Students Club, I am going to present a solution of A415 question paper for BA Final Year History First Paper students, and first to 30th question we have already discussed in previous two videos. One question was found wrong, unfortunately, and I am repeating the answer once again. Who opposed the resolution of non-cooperation movement in Calcutta session of 1920? So right answer is C. Chitranjan Das. Moving ahead to our next question, this 31st question. Who was the first European president of Indian National Congress? So A.O. Hume was the first European president of Indian National Congress. Who had been elected the president of Congress 3 times? So Dadabhai Naoroji was the person who was elected the president of Congress 3 times, once in 1886, then 1893, then finally in 1906. Who was the Viceroy of India when Congress was founded in 1885? So Lord Dufferin was the Viceroy of India when Congress was founded in 1885. Next question, who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament. Very important question. Which Congress leader never had been elected the president of Congress Party? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next one is the Revolutionary Party Abhinav Bharat was established under the leadership of V.D. Savarkar, Vinayak Damodar Rao Savarkar. Next question is, who said B.G. Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak as the diamond of India? So Gopal Krishna Gokhale addressed B.G. Tilak as the diamond of India. Who among the following had vigorously advocated for religious education in the Indian universities? Madan Mohan Malviya was the person who vigorously advocated for religious education in the Indian universities. Moving ahead to next question, in whose partnership the Congress passed the non-cooperation resolution? So this was very important question. Under the leadership or presidentship of Lala Lajpat Rai, this non-cooperation resolution was passed. Moving ahead to another question, who was the writer of Indian Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Dadabhai Naoroji. This question is very important. Who among the following is known with the nickname Mehak Pari? Mehak Pari means none of these is the right option, because Muhammadi Khanum was known as Mehak Pari. The first war of Indian independence. Who said this for the first time regarding the revolution of 1856? V.D. Savarkar said this in his book The Indian War of Independence. Which of the following reasons was not affected by the revolt of 1857? Chittor was the place which was not affected by the revolt of 1857. Moving ahead to next question, with which Butler Committee was related? Butler Committee was related to native states. When was the Chamber of Princes founded? Chamber of Princes was founded on 8th February 1921. Which king did not help Rani Lakshmi Bai against the British? Gwalior, King of Gwalior. Who established the Free India Society in England? None of the option is found correct. V.D. Savarkar established Free India Society in England in 1906. Next is, who was the commander-in-chief of Nana Sahib? Tatya Tope, which the real name of Tatya Tope was Ramchandra Pandurang. He was the commander-in-chief of Nana Sahib. Very important question. Who preached jihad against the British in 1857 AD? Very important question. Maulvi Ahmadullah was he preached jihad against the British in 1857 AD. Rani Lakshmi Bai was known with the name of Manu. So these are some of the answers of 2020, and rest of the answers kindly follow the upcoming videos. Have a happy time. All the best. Kindly hit a like to my video. Kindly share the video with the other students of your community. Please subscribe the channel Students Club. Happy learning. Bye bye.